Welcome to all of you cybersecurity and InfoSec professionals. This is Lawrence Wilson for the Cybersecurity Certification Center here in Silicon Valley. Today I'd like to share with you the Certified Ethical Hacker CEH Certification Training Program. This particular program is one of the most robust and in-depth CEH prep programs in the industry today. It includes over 17 hours of certification training, 80 lectures, as well as sample exercises and certification exam prep questions. Now, this particular training program in particular focuses and will equip you in some of the following areas. They include scanning, network hacking, social engineering, vulnerability and exploitation skills, wireless hacking, as well as buffer overflows and web application hacking, along with cryptography, malicious code, and DOS attacks. Taken together, I think you'll find this program quite comprehensive and valuable. And this program does come with a proven 99.6% pass rate for first-time exam takers, which hopefully will include yourselves. So I invite you to click on the link below our video. Our website has the full course curriculum and will allow you to register today and begin advancing your career in ethical hacking and penetration testing. This is Lawrence Wilson for Cybersecurity Certification Center signing off. As always, I wish you much success. Hope to see you soon.